Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome along to week 6. Hard to believe that's the number of weeks we've been learning from the computer already. So hope you all had a lovely weekend. I hope that you're all safe and well. Just wanted to check in with a few things. One, it gives me an opportunity to practice this style of presentation with the recording of me plus the recording of the screen as well. So thank you again to Rory for showing me how to do that. So this week, much the same as previous weeks, we've got ourselves into a good routine of knowing the types of tasks that I'm going to be posting for you. I'm always open to feedback, whether it be positive or negative feedback about the work that I'm giving for you. The idea behind most of my tasks are that the children should be able to, or hopefully will be able to do it on their own without needing constant adult supervision and constant adult support. Hopefully, for those of you that have got numerous children in your household or are busy doing other tasks, that's hopefully been helpful for you. But if you're needing something slightly different, something slightly more practical, because I know a lot of the other classes and other schools and teachers will have more practical activities for their children to do. I'm open to that as well. So just let me know if there's anything that you need changed or anything like that at all. So with this week's work, I've posted a new video of a relatively local athlete called Kenny Wilson, who was in the newspapers over the last couple of weeks and was also mentioned by Joe Wicks himself and is now known as the Scottish Joe Wicks. So for those of you that are wanting a wee change from the normal Joe Wicks workout, I've uploaded Kenny Wilson's workout and I'm going to do all of his workouts with you. He does 2 a week on the Active Schools Murray Facebook page. I've started doing it as well. It is quite intense, but it's a really good way to start your day. So I've posted that on our classroom page for you. If you get the chance, go onto the school Hilton of Cadwell pupils page and have a look at the assembly from last week, where you can see examples of work and a few other bits and pieces that might be of interest for you. With regards to the maths today, if you can try and get logged on to Big Maths and try some of your challenges on there. And I've also set a times table challenge on Sumdog. And as always, if you need any help getting logged in, let me know and hopefully I'll be able to sort that out for you. Also for reading today, I've put on the third and final instalment of the Creature Campers task, the Lake of Secrets, and hopefully you'll get a chance to read that last part of the book. There is a wee prediction task to do first before you start, if you wish. And as always, I've put a spelling task on for you to practice your spelling words, practice growing them, and there's other activities for you to do as well. So another busy day, another full-on day, but as always, only do what you can. If you need time away, that's absolutely fine. You're not going to get in trouble for not completing all of the tasks. That's not going to happen. But I've put a range of tasks on for those of you that are managing to get through it all. I'm really hopeful that at some point this week we can do a live lesson. I think it might be easiest to start off with if I try the spelling challenge as a live challenge instead of recording a video and then you doing it in your own time. If we aim for Wednesday, that gives you 48 hours to get that into your diary. And if we go for probably round about mid morning, maybe even early afternoon, hopefully that's the time that most of you will be able to get online, and we can try a live lesson via Google Classroom, which you can do. I'm going to learn a few more bits and pieces about that today and tomorrow, and then Wednesday hopefully we can have a chance to do a live lesson. And I'm not sure if you'll be able to see each other or not. You'll certainly be able to see me, but I'm going to speak to a few of the other teachers who I think have tried that and got on quite successfully with it. So I'll leave it there. As always, if you need to get in touch with me, do it via Seesaw or email me. I will also point out that my partner Rebecca is a high school teacher, and she is now officially back to work. So she's been on maternity leave for over a year, but she is now officially back at work. So it means that care duties over my daughter are going to have to be more equally shared. So I will try and be as available as I can, but there may be periods where I am not able to reply straight away, as most, if not all of you will know, having a 1 year old and trying to work away on the computer when you're the one looking after her is not practical. So hopefully I'll be able to reply as quickly as I can. Okay, have a good day, everybody, and hopefully you get a chance to work away at some of the tasks that I've put on for you, and also utilizing your exercise outside as well if you wish to go and get some fresh air, which you're allowed to do. Okay, thank you guys.